Hello guys, in today's video I do have the DOOGEE Blade 20 Max and I'm going to tell you how to fix the mobile data not working on this device. So actually the first thing that you have to remember is that you need to have your SIM card inserted. Once you do have it, your phone should also automatically recognize it. Open settings, tap network and internet, and here tap mobile network. Now here, as you can see, we do have play. Tap it, and now as you can see, we do have mobile data. Tap the switch to disable mobile data. Have this actually option disabled. Then switch it on back again. Once you do have it enabled, this option should work. But if you don't have this option available, you don't have your SIM card properly inserted in or not recognized by your device. Try checking your SIM card in another device to verify the SIM card. If the SIM card works on other device, the problem is your device and you need to contact device support because your device is just broken. But if the SIM card doesn't work, of course the SIM card is broken and you need a new SIM card. So that's about it for here. Now here, as you can see, we tap advanced. We do have preferred network type, Auto-G, automatically select network, APNs. Here tap APNs, and as you can see, verify the naming just of these APN settings. Here, as you can see, we have P for internet, P for IMEs, and just you need to just verify the names with your data plan, with your operator, a carrier, and here, as you can see, we do have everything set correctly. Internet, P for internet. And now this should work. If it does work, that's nice. But if it doesn't, you need to now go to the SIM card over here, SIM card tray actually, over here, and take yourself, maybe you didn't really need it, but I do have here the SIM card tray opener, and here you need to just try open this SIM card tray. I can do this with my nail, but if you can do this with your SIM card tray or SIM card tray opener. Here now our SIM card is here. And now what we have to do is to take ourselves soft microfiber cloth, maybe not microfiber, but just a soft cloth, and wipe the area of the SIM card over here. Carefully, without strength, delicately. And now once done, you need to just verify the placement. So as you can see, this falls off actually without my intention, because this doesn't have any limit, any clicks. So we can't verify the placement. But if you see and feel that this placement is correct, just place and reinsert it back to your device. Now our mobile data should be working back again. If yours still not, you need to now go to the settings, back again, main menu, and scroll down to the system. Once you're in the system, you should see reset options at the bottom. Tap on reset mobile network settings, reset settings. Draw your pattern or enter your PIN code, reset settings. This should fix all your issues about the mobile network settings. If it still doesn't fix your issue, you need to now restart your device, hold the power and volume up, restart, and that's it. Apart from that, you can try toggling the airplane mode, contact the carrier to verify the data plan, or contact device support. Of course, if you see that the SIM card is working on another device but not on yours, the problem is your device. If you see that SIM card doesn't work anywhere, your problem is the SIM or the carrier, or if both doesn't work, you need to just explore further. It's probably your phone, but yeah, or maybe both. I'd contact the carrier and verify the data plan, and so on. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.